Сәлеметсіздер ме балалар? Мен Жамбыл облысы Талас ауданы Қаратау қаласындағы Ш.Уалиханов атындағы орта мектебінің ағылшын тілі пәні мұғалімі Исабаева Гүлшат Мақсұтқызы болам. Бүгінгі сабағымыздың тақырыбы денсаулық дағдысы. Пәніміз ағылшын тілі, сыныбымыз 7-ші сынып. If you are ready for the lesson, let's start. Today's theme, health habits. Today's learning objectives. 7UA8. Use a growing variety of future forms, including present continuous with future meaning on a range of familiar, general, and curricular topics. 7L4. Understand with little support some of the implied meaning in extended talk on a limited range of a general and a curricular topics. Today's new words. Бүгінгі жаңа сөздеріміз. Captain, капитан. Champion, чемпион. Finalist, финалист. Support, қолдау. Manager, менеджер. Owner, иесі. Referee, судья, төреші. Sponsor, демеуші. Trainer, жаттықтырушы. TV reporter, тележурналист. Қайталайым. New words today's. Бүгінгі жаңа сөздеріміз. Captain, капитан. Champion, чемпион. Finalist, финалист. Support, қолдау. Manager, менеджер. Owner, иесі. Referee, судья. Sponsor, демеуші. Trainer, жаттықтырушы. TV reporter, тележурналист. Бүгінгі ережеміз present continuous ережесі болып саналады, және оның жалғаны қолдану жолдарын үйренеміз. Generally, we use the present continuous tense to talk about actions taking place now or around now. But English speakers often use the present continuous to talk about prearranged plans or events. For example, what are you doing after school? I'm buying tickets for Saturday's match. We use the present continuous to talk about fixed arrangements in the near future. How to form present continuous? To make the present continuous with future meaning, we use am, is, are plus the ing forms of the verb and add a time maker. For example, I'm staying at home tonight. She isn't working on Thursday. We aren't meeting at 2 o'clock. John and Samantha are getting married tomorrow. Negative sentence. We form the negative by adding not to either the full form or short form. Am, is, are, not the ing form in the verb. For example, we were not having a meeting this afternoon. We aren't having a meeting this afternoon. We are not having a meeting this afternoon. I'm not coming to the party tonight. I am not coming to the party tonight. Question sentence. To form a question, we rearranged the word order, placing the verb be before the subject. Am, is, are plus subject plus the ing form of the verb. For example, are you going to the concert tomorrow? Is your mom joining us for dinner next week? And now, task number 1. for the grammar descriptor. First, to read the new words, to read the words. Second, to find main words of future. We have meal 5 times a day. They are having a barbecue party tomorrow. I think sport will improve my health. I will help you with your diet schedule. They are going to keep a healthy lifestyle. Mary will help with salad. Health is better than wealth. Денсаулық байлықтан қымбат. Task number 2. Descriptor. To describe the pictures, find health benefits. Food and drink. And now, guys, pupils, you must find which food and which drink is healthy for our body. Task number 3. Descriptor. Read the sentence. Find actions for the healthy life. To stay healthy, you should first, get up at 12 a.m. Second, eat healthy food. Third, eat fast food. Fourth, do morning exercises. Fifth, stay at home all day long. Sixth, go in for sports. Seventh, be lazy. 8th, go on food. 9th, go buy car. And our home task. Our homework exercise number 2, page 92. In this home task, you must complete the sentence with your own ideas. If you like, if you understand, if you don't understand, please show me your apples and give your marks for today's lesson. You can write with another apples from this picture. Thank you for the lesson. Be healthy. Goodbye.